Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you're a parent, register on the links below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started, shall we? Today, I'll be showing you how to make emotion cards. This activity will help you explore the different emotions from sad to cheeky to happy and to angry. You will need the following materials: cardboard box. This is from my leftover box from last week's rabbit game. And if you buy a carton of milk, for example, you'll be able to get the free carton and use it for any of your projects. Marker pens. I have red here and black. If you don't have marker pens, you can use thick crayons. A pair of scissors. And by now you know the rule with sharp objects. Don't use them unless with the help of an adult. And a circular template or an oval one. This is an old dream from one of our tapes. It's circle and you can also squeeze it into an oval. Another example is this tin which I made from a coffee tin. I decorated it and it can also be used as a template for this project. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Using your circular or oval template, draw a circle on your cardboard, 4 of them. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 2. Using a pair of scissors, cut up the circles. These circles will form the faces for where we will draw in our different emotions. You can repeat the counting game. So this is 1, 1 done. Moving on to the second one. You can even be counting how many we have left over to cut. That will help you with your subtraction. So we've done 2 now. 2 more to go. We are on the third one. One down, last one now. Fourth and last one. Here we go. Step 3. Using your pair of scissors again, divide your circle in half. So now that we've cut out our circles in half, we've made semicircles. This is a semicircle. Step 4, take 4 semicircles and on each draw the upper part of the face, that is the eyes and the eyebrows. So first off, let's draw the sad eyes. Follow my lead. So you feel sad when you don't see your friend for a couple of days. What other things make you sad? Here are our sad eyes. Next, let's do the happy eyes. What are some of the things that make you happy? Then, let's do the cheeky face. Finally, let's do the angry face. Remember, it's not good to stay angry. Being happy is way easier and more fun. Which other emotions do you know? Comment in the box below. Step 5. Remember the remaining semicircles? We're going to draw mouths on each of them for our faces. First, let's draw the sad mouth. Just a wavy line. Then, let's do the happy mouth. Then let's do a cheeky mouth. We'll draw a tongue out. This is where our red marker comes in. We'll be shading in the tongue using the color red. If you're using a crayon, use pink crayon or the red crayon. Finally, let's do an angry mouth. So I'm just drawing a frown, I mean. Finally, we're going to match up the eyes with the mouth. So, sad eyes with sad mouth. This one. Almost crying. We move on to happy eyes, matching up with happy mouth, laughing out loud. And then we go to cheeky eyes with a tongue out mouth. And then we go to angry eyes with the frown. Here we are. Done! I hope you now understand the different types of emotions. You can even go ahead and draw other ones like being shocked, being worried. Remember, being able to express how you feel is very, very important. Don't forget to tag us using the hashtag TBC Kids Club for a chance to win cool gift hampers from Textbook Center. In this next activity, I'll be showing you how to make a crab. And guess what? You won't have to cook it, it will be ready to eat. To make a ready-to-eat crab, you will need the following: a cupcake. You can bake this from home, or you can just buy them like I did. A tangerine. These are puffs, yellow and pink or red. You will answer me in the box below. And toothpicks. Step 1. Peel off your tangerine using your hands. Always remember to give your fruits a thorough wash before eating them. While at it, don't forget your hands. Smells nice. Step 2. So as you can see, our tangerine has different pieces and we're going to divide them into pairs. A pair means simply two similar things, like you can have a pair of shoes or socks or eyes. So instead of saying you have two eyes, you can say I have a pair of eyes. Which other collective nouns do you know? You can type them in the comment section below. Step 3. Today we will not be using glue. In its place, we shall have toothpicks which will form the frame of the crab's body and hold it together, just like a skeleton. So, stick a toothpick through one of the tangerine pairs, then pierce it through the cupcake. Step 4. Take two puffs and pierce toothpicks through each one of them. This will form the eyes. Step 5. Take another pair of tangerines, separate them in two, and pierce toothpicks through each one of them to make the snappers. Finally, let's put the crab together. One snapper on the right through the cupcake. The second snapper on the left side through the cupcake. The eyes on top of the tangerine through it, all the way till it's there. Second eye. So, tell us just how much you like seafood in the comment section below. And we're done for today. Send us photos of your projects using the hashtag TBC Kids Club for a chance to win fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. See you all next time!